What is the value of the expression 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 6? Which of the following options do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, immediately go for the expression 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6, which I have highlighted in yellow. And they quickly find a common denominator and rewrite this expression as 2 minus 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 6, which simplifies to 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 6, and they say that in the final step, the result of dividing these two fractions is 1. Then, without any hesitation, they say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, we'll start with the expression 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 6, because division takes priority over subtraction. Alright, if you ever see a division sign between two fractions, it's best to follow the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first fraction as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the expression highlighted in yellow and replace it with 1 over 6 multiplied by 6 over 1. In the next step, the 6's cancel each other out and the entire expression simplifies to 1 over 3 minus 1, which finally gives us a value of negative 2 over 3, or approximately negative 0.7. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment, and to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.